To the pool we go now as Olympian Alia Atkinson's quest to defend her 50-meter breaststroke title at the Short Course World Championships in Abu Dhabi were thwarted on Thursday when she was disqualified in the semifinals. The 33-year-old's disqualification brings to 14 the number to date, 6 of which, including Atkinson's, were from lane 4. However, all of the disqualifications were apparently called by underwater cameras and not one specific judge in one specific lane. The defending champion was one of 3 swimmers reportedly disqualified for downward dolphin kick prior to the finish. Atkinson touched first in the second semi and was well on her way to qualifying for the final, where she had won gold in 2018. The Jamaican has actually won a medal in the women's 50 breast at 4 straight Short Course World Championships dating back to 2012, but saw her streak come to an unceremonious end. She will contest the heats of the 100 breaststroke on Saturday. The World Short Course Swimming Championships is scheduled to be Atkinson's final competition of her decade-long career.